All right, we're going to look at just a couple other log derivative problems. These might include some of those derivative rules we had, like product rule, chain rule, quotient rule. This first one, we have the natural log function. It is inside of a square root. We know from doing derivatives, it's easier to think of any type of root in terms of exponents. So this would be to the 1/2 power here. All right, so now to find that derivative, looks like it's going to be chain rule. We got a function inside another function. This is our inner one here. This is our outer one here. Start with the outer one, so it'd be bringing that power down. New power becomes one less. Keep the inside function the same, but then times the derivative of the inside. We saw from previously that derivative natural log is 1 over x. And so that's our derivative. Now it's just maybe trying to clean it up or match it to the solution on the exam. With negative exponents, a lot of times they're going to drop that down to make it positive. So we'd have 1 over, then we get that 1/2, so there'd be a 2. Dropping down our natural log there to the bottom would make that natural log x to the positive 1/2. And then we also would have 1 over x on the bottom too. So all that stuff's on the bottom. One last thing, you'd probably see this then written as 1 over 2x, and then something to the 1/2 powers back to again being our square root. So this would probably be how you would see it in terms of a multiple choice question. All right, once you pause the video, you try this one, see what you come up with. All right, let's see how you did. This one also is chain, but this one now, the outer functions are kind of our natural log. Our inner function is what we're taking the natural log of. So you should have had 1 over what you're taking that of q plus 1 times, though, the derivative of that inside, which would be 3x squared. And so this derivative comes out to be 3x squared over x cubed plus 1. So you got that? Nice job. All right, let's look at one last one. Here they tell us what the answer is, but they want to show that the derivative of natural log sine x is cotangent x. All right, well, doing the derivative here, it would be 1 over whatever we're taking the log of, times, though, this is chain rule, times the derivative of that inside, which is cosine. And now we could join that into one fractionaire of cosine x over sine x. And what's that end up equaling? Well, that is cotangent x. So there we've shown that it equals cotangent.